Welcome to iPECS. This video introduces the iPECS approved Athena HS-D2 headset and electronic hook switch adapter, and will guide you through the setup of your headset and EHS adapter using the iPECS 1050i handset. The headset is also compatible with the iPECS 1030 and 1040i handsets. Before you begin, make sure you have three packages in front of you: the HS-D2 headset, the EHS adapter, and the EHS adapter cable, as well as your handset. To complete the setup, you will also require a Phillips screwdriver. If you are installing the headset onto a new handset, please ensure neither device are powered up until instructed. If you are using an existing handset, ensure the volume on your phone is set to max by pressing the speaker button followed by the volume up key. Start by powering down your phone by either removing the local power supply from the rear of the phone or by unplugging the handset from the Ethernet network that is powering it. Next, unbox your EHS adapter. Make sure the adapter is version 3 or above. Then unpack the contents. Remove the EHS adapter and keep the small bag of screws safely alongside it. These are required for the next step. Attach your EHS adapter to the underside of the stand of your phone using the screws provided, and then reattach the stand to the phone. Ensure that the type switch is set to SIP. Now connect the flat ribbon cable from the adapter to the port on the bottom left corner of your phone when face down. You may need to first remove the rubber bung to access the port. Next, unbox your HS-D2 headset. Inside your box, you should see the headset base, an RJ11 cable and spare earpiece cover, a power supply, and a USB cable if your version includes one. Now open the bag containing the EHS adapter cable, which should be marked with a label reading EHS11. Connect the EHS adapter cable to the phone and the headset by plugging one end into the EHS adapter on the phone and the other into the auxiliary port on the headset base. Take great care to ensure that the cable is correctly orientated. According to the arrow on the cable, the arrow must point to the aux port on the headset base. Now take the RJ11 cable from its plastic bag. Carefully lay the phone face down and connect the RJ11 cable from the spare port below, where the handset is connected to the port on the HS-D2 headset stand with a phone symbol on the back. If you're using the USB version of the headset, you will now need to connect the USB cable from the headset base to your PC or USB hub. Now it is time to power up the devices. First, place the headset into the base and connect the power supply. Then power up your desk phone by connecting the local power supply or by connecting an Ethernet network point. Now wait for the LED on the EHS adapter to turn solid blue, and for the headset LED to turn a slow blinking blue. If the LEDs do not turn blue, remove the power supply and repeat the setup process. Once the headset is set up, make an external test call for up to 3 minutes on full volume to allow the headset to tune and provide the best audio quality. You can now set up your headset preferences on your phone by pressing the trans button, followed by option 6 headset, option 1 speaker headset, and option 1 or 2, followed by depending if you want calls to ring from your phone or whether you want calls to ring from your phone or headset. If you're using a cloud system, press menu followed by option 1 and option 1 again to apply headset mode. Then press menu, option 6 and option 2 to choose a ring type. The microphone volume is auto set during the setup phase and should not require adjustment. Should you need to adjust the volume, use the buttons on the left-hand side of the headset base. Please remember, using any headset device for prolonged periods at high volume can damage your hearing. Please follow the instructions in this video carefully to obtain optimum audio settings for your HS-D2 headset. If you have a USB equipped device, you can attach your headset to a PC for use in video calls and apps such as iPECS 1, Microsoft Teams and Zoom. Simply connect the USB cable to your PC as prescribed in previous steps. Your PC should recognise the HS-D2 device. Tap the middle icon on your headset face to use your headset alongside a connected PC. Be aware that apps such as iPECS 1, Microsoft Teams and Zoom have independent volume and mute functions that override your headset, and EHS function is not supported via USB. Follow the instructions below to set up Microsoft Teams on your HS-D2. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoy your new HS-D2 headset solution.